Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will live as one. Only a life lived for others is a life worthwhile. Your time is limited, so don't waste it. Living someone else's life, don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. The only impossible journey is the one you never began. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. Never let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. You have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you've imagined. Life is trying things to see if they work. Life is a long lesson in humility.